Yo, what up guys? We're back with another video, and like I told you guys, I'm gonna be trying something different. I will be only uploading on Mondays from now on, and I'm just gonna vlog like my weekend, and then I'm gonna do unboxings at the end. So at the end of this video, you guys will be seeing a unboxing, and then we're just gonna try something new on the channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new to the channel, hit that sub button, subscribe to your boy. We're like 30 subs away from 1,000, so that's a huge milestone. But we're at Scooters right now. We're about to get us some coffee, and then we're gonna go hit up Goodwill and see if they have any cool little shirts or just any crazy things, man. We're gonna go hit them up and see what they have, and see if they have anything cool. We're kind of looking for like vintage shirts or something like that. Just kind of try something new on the channel and give you guys a little new content, and just start the new chapter in the channel. We're at Goodwill, and this is the first time I vlog in public, so please give me a break. So I don't even know where to look. Where should we look?
Probably in the guys' t-shirts. Like
guys' shirts. It's a lot smaller than what I thought. Where? Oh, look at this. That's crazy. LeBron James in my hand. Hey, does that fit you?
Probably.
Dang, you should get that for real. How much?
$1.99.
Hey, get it. For real. Yo, that's already a gem right there. LeBron James jersey.
Are you sure?
Yeah, baby, that's fire.
This one.
That is fire.
With some shorts.
Yeah, that's dope. So we already found something. Let's see, man. Some botas. We are in Kansas, so I don't even know where to start. That's pretty cool. Little vintage Kansas gear. Oh, that's a pretty cool shirt right there. A lot of K-State and KU gear. Like I said, we are in Kansas. What? I don't even know who that is. Oh, there's actually some gems in here. Yeah, a lot of Kansas stuff. Okay, here's a large section, because that's where I'm at. Wrestling. This shirt's pretty funny. This is pretty cool. Got it looks like an old Jordan shirt. Yep. It's like an older Jordan shirt. I might actually pick this one up. I don't know how much it's going for. $2. Little old Jordan shirt. Honestly, there's nothing like there's like a bunch of like T-ball team shirts, and Kansas shirts. I haven't really found anything like brand name or anything like that. Tyson. Oh, that one's actually pretty cool, babe.
Do you like it?
Yeah, that's actually really cool. What size is that?
Extra large.
Extra large? That probably won't fit me, I don't think.
That's a nice color, huh?
It is. It's really nice. I actually like this shirt too. It's like a Kansas City Royals. Kansas City Royals.
I like it.
It's really nice, huh?
I like the letters on the corner.
Yeah. Looks like it's already coming apart though. Might get a few wears out of it. Not bad. I might be picking this one up. So my girl was actually looking for something like this. We found a Harley Davidson shirt, and she wants this shirt, so we'll be picking this one up too. Pretty sure some dude drinking beer on the porch donated that shirt right there. With like extra long hair. Probably wore that shirt every single day of his life. From the age of 20 to 35. decided to be a nice guy and turn his life around, drive a moped, save gas, and donated all his Harley Davidson, well, I guess it's Harley Davidson shirt. Watch, my girl's gonna love this one. I think you should definitely buy this one, babe.
Let me see.
It's got your favorite animal on it.
Oh gosh, that would be a good shirt for you. No. 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 That would be a good shirt.
Yeah, no, probably not. Pass on that. I think something like this is a little crazy too. It's not bad. It's not bad at all.
Well,
For $2. Huh?
Let me see.
Oh yeah, it's the same one.
Yeah, that's the same.
Yeah. Panda.
Would you wear it?
I don't know.
That's the thing. Would you wear it?
I mean, it'd be cool to have. I don't want to take it away from somebody else that might want it though, you know?
You're not gonna wear it.
Yeah, if I'm not gonna wear it, I don't want to take it from somebody else that could use it.
Like smaller, you know?
You might be able to tie it up. Or maybe just keep washing it. Dang, I'm already at 2XL over here.
I know.
Oh no, this is large. I don't know, it's weird. They're like mixed in.
They are.
This is pretty dope.
Anything turn around?
That is sick. It has a lot of lint, but
I mean, come on, dude. That's not. Yeah, that's good.
this one's pretty
Yeah.
fire, man. I'm probably gonna take this one too. I can't show you guys everything that I pick up because I kind of want to show you guys at the end of the video, or at the end of the vlog. What up, YouTube? It's Jay Hernandez, and we're home. We're back from the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was my very first vlog ever. I'm sorry for the back noise. I'm trying to get good lighting, and this room right now is the best one to record in. But I appreciate everybody that's been subscribing. We hit 1,000 subs already, guys. We had the live for the 1,000 subs. If you stayed all the way to the end, you had a chance at winning a couple bucks, man. Me and my boy Dirty's Got So gave out some money, and it was a good time. Got a little drunk on there.
The owner of the store treated me 1 6-pack within the store. I was able to drink 1 beer.
It was cool, man. It was cool to hang out with you guys and just vibe, man. Thank you guys for pulling up and showing love and showing support to all the day ones. And if you are a new day one, go ahead and just leave a comment down below, man. Don't be afraid to comment and leave me your opinions on the videos, and just leave me some kind of motivational comment on there, some positive energy, man, so I can keep putting these videos out for you guys. Thank you guys so much. 1,000 subs, can't believe it, we're here, and now we're on the road to 2,000 subs because we're gonna keep grinding, we're gonna keep growing, and I appreciate y'all, man. We're gonna keep building the family up. So in this video, you guys seen my very first vlog. We went to Goodwill and we found some cool stuff. Now, I felt kind of guilty after we bought these shirts because I felt like I'm kind of taking away from people that really truly need them. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I am going to be doing with these t-shirts right here. I'm gonna keep 2 of them. One of them, it's not really a brand shirt, and it's this one I'm gonna use for Halloween with my frozen yellows. And then my girl's jersey that she found, she wants to keep this and rock it with some, I don't know with what she wants to rock it with, but that's the Miami jersey. But these 3 shirts right here are going to be put in the giveaway box at the end of September. I will be choosing a winner, and we will be doing a live giveaway for that. So make sure you guys are putting your post notifications on. Turn those things on so you guys are ready to go. So whenever I do my lives, you guys are ready and don't miss no giveaways or any kind of celebration. I will be throwing this shirt right here, which is a older Jordan brand t-shirt in a size large. I will also be throwing a Harley Davidson t-shirt that we found, and we'll be throwing that in the giveaway box, which is pretty cool. And I'll be throwing in this little Kansas City t-shirt, just a plain shirt. You will have a chance to win that later on. At the end of the month, I will be giving away the stuff that I do pick up because I do want to give back to you guys. You guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, my goal is to really use this platform to give back and build a stronger community as far as sneakers and as far as fashion, whatever. And I also got 3 crazy freaking pickups, man. 2 of these are super crazy, and one of them is just like a GR that I was able to hit. But anyways, these came in a size 9, personal size. You guys already know. Size 9. They are like the Obsidian 2.0s. I think they're called like the Indigos. But yeah, man, the color code is Stone Blue, Legend Blue. I think they changed the name from Indigo to Stone Blue. It's kind of weird, but got these on Finish Line. It comes with the card with the Jordan card, and it has a little message on the card as well. Pretty much telling you that if you wear these enough, you will be able to see some kind of, so it tells you that pretty much if you wear these long enough, that you will see some kind of long-term effects that happen on the shoe, like it just changes color, or it gets darker or lighter. You do actually have to wear them, guys, so don't try to rub nothing on it. Don't try to use acetone or alcohol or nothing like that. It took me a little while. I thought that that's probably what you had to do too, and I probably wouldn't have tried it. I probably would have messed the shoe up and I'd let it get messed up on its own. But you actually will have to wear these quite a bit in order to get that effect on the shoe. But I mean, it's the closest thing to the Obsidians. I'll just call it the Obsidian 2.0s and keep it moving. So let's get rid of this one here. All right, I'm gonna show you guys this one. Now I'll show you guys this one first. This shoe right here was only released in Beijing, China. This is the Foamposite 1. It's called, the color code is multicolored green striped black. This shoe is very nice. I'll throw a quick on feet pic real quick for you guys to see it on feet. There you guys seen that quick little on foot pic, man, and I think this shoe is dope. I really do like it. Comes in your Foamposite 1 box. I already opened these up earlier, man. I showed you guys on the live whenever we were doing the live for the 1,000 subs. And I picked these up on StockX. The colors on this is so vibrant and so nice. Just a very dope shoe. It is like a dragon themed sneaker. It's got some, also has reptile along the aglets, like around the aglets, and the inside has just got a really cool little insole in there. This was a StockX pickup. I know we're having huge issues with StockX right now, guys, and I'm actually at the, I'm pretty close to just calling it quits with them, even though I've been doing business with them for so many years. Not necessarily because of this shoe, but other things that have been going on. They actually sent me back a sneaker that I had sold on their platform, and they said they had a marking on it, but I had bought that shoe brand new. No markings on it, nothing. I 100% know that I looked through all my shoes before I sell them, because it'd just be pointless for me to send something that I know that's gonna get sent back. I have no other choice but to cop from them. But this sneaker right here is so beautiful. The colors are so nice. The outsole glows in the dark, so the outsole will glow in the dark. Just a very nice shoe. It's called the Planet Hoops pack. If you guys do not know, there is a Jordan 1 that looks kind of like this. It's a Jordan 1 low, and it actually came out as well. And you know, if you have your hands on that shoe's pretty nice too. Yeah, I think there was some Kyries and some KDs that came out alongside with the Planet Hoops pack. Yeah, this shoe right here is very nice. You were only able to get these in Beijing, so if you have them, you probably got them from StockX, because I don't know where else you would have been able to pick these up from. So this shoe right here, man, this shoe is super sought after. A lot of people slept on this shoe, including myself, whenever these things were going for half the price for what they're going for now. This shoe is very nice. It is the Strange Loves. There you guys see the size right here. I don't know if you guys can see it without that glare. Let me get my face out the way so it could focus. But this shoe right here, man, I picked these up like 2 months ago. I just received them like last week. And this is a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike, Bright Melon, Gem Red, and size 9, which is my personal size. These came from out of the country as well. They don't have a retail, suggested retail tag. When you don't have a suggested retail tag, it just means that they came from out of the country. I hit these with the black light. Everything looks good. I'm kind of very unhappy with the StockX because they sent me these with no tissue paper inside the box. So I did send them a message. I'll put that message right here, and I got into it with them, man. It's just annoying that they expect me to send them a perfect product, but yet they can't do that for me. Well, especially on an exclusive sneaker like this. And like I said, I already laced these up. I already tried these things on. So here is, you got a little, here's this box, and you got a little stamp right here. That little preservative, whatever, sticker, so you don't get mold on your shoes. And then we got the StockX receipt here. Let me make sure I blocked that out of there. But, well, I guess you guys can see where I live. It's no big deal. It's no big secret, just not my address. But anyway, that's that. And then it comes with the StockX sticker. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Didn't come with any tissue paper. This shoe is super cool. Like, it's a Valentine's Day shoe. Obviously, a Valentine's Day themed, and it's just a very nice sneaker. Strange Love, you guys know they got t-shirts and different things like that. This shoe is very cool. It's got like that bubblegum mud guard on there. Even though they call it a mud guard, you don't want to get any kind of liquid or any kind of substance on the mud guard, because that'd be a done deal for these. The materials and everything on this shoe is so beautifully done. The little strokes on the toe box there, very nice shoe. Very crazy, very loud. These last two sneakers I picked up are super loud. You got your insole right there with the little skateboard. Just so cool. You got your white laces, and you got these other different colored laces. Bro, oh my lord. You guys know these things are fire right here, man. Whew. Look at that nice little Nike check on the tongue. Let me get my face out the way. There you guys see it right there, man. Let me know what laces you guys would use on these. Would you guys use the white laces? Would you guys use these different color? These are like a flat, weird lacing. Almost looks like some damn panties or something like that. I don't know what the hell this looks like. It looks like a lanyard. I don't know what the hell, but would you guys use these laces? I'll probably stick with red on one and white on the other, or if not, then I'll stick on white on both. But you guys stay tuned for the next video. The next video is gonna be dope too. I'm gonna be having a on feet here at the end of this week on a sneaker that has not released in the States yet, but released in Europe last week. And you guys don't wanna miss it. That shoe is sought after, very nice. That's the only hint that I'll give you guys. You guys could guess what that shoe is gonna be in the comment section if you want. If you do get it right, I'll pin your comment, but you know, that shoe is fire. Released last week in Europe. Thank you for rocking with me, man. You know, I appreciate everything. I can't believe we got to 1,000 subs. That to me is crazy. It's insane. Thank you guys. I know I got a lot of European viewers now. Shout out to my buddy Sadi Kazim for shouting me out a couple weeks ago, trying to help me grow the channel, man, bro. You mean so much to this channel, bro. You are a part of this channel, and I appreciate all the love and support that I get from you, bro. And to my European subscribers that just subscribed, welcome to the channel, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the content, and everybody's welcome here, man. I appreciate all you guys. All love, man. Nothing but love and positivity. You guys have a good one. It's your boy Jay Hernandez, and we're out of here. Peace.